Welcome to the future of generative AI explained. I'm your host, and today we're diving deep into the transformative power of this technology. Generative AI is rapidly reshaping how we create, innovate, and interact with the digital world. Let's start with the basics. Simply put, generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content, like text, images, music, or code, by learning patterns from massive datasets. Today, generative AI is already capable of incredible feats, from powering conversational chatbots to creating hyper-realistic digital art and even synthetic data. But where is this technology heading? We see three major areas driving the next wave of generative AI growth. First, content creation will see massive acceleration. Imagine instantly generating high-quality marketing copy, code snippets, or even full-feature films from simple prompts. Second, design and prototyping will be fundamentally changed. I can rapidly generate thousands of design variations, drastically speeding up product development and engineering cycles. Third, the realm of scientific discovery and drug development is ripe for AI. Generative models can design new proteins, predict chemical reactions, and accelerate medical breakthroughs. Looking ahead, the applications of generative AI become truly mind-boggling, promising major societal shifts. We are moving toward an era of hyper-personalization at scale. Everything from education to commerce will be tailored instantly to individual needs and preferences by AI. Furthermore, generative AI will enable truly autonomous creative systems, where AI-powered entities produce complex, original works without continuous human input. This technology will reshape entire industries, automating routine tasks and simultaneously creating new job categories focused on managing and training these AI models. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The rapid advancement of generative AI presents significant challenges we must address. The ease of generating hyper-realistic deepfakes and misinformation poses serious risks to trust and public discourse, demanding robust authentication methods. If AI is trained on biased data, it will perpetuate that bias. Ensuring fairness and establishing clear accountability for AI-generated content are crucial ethical hurdles. The regulatory landscape is struggling to keep pace. Clear policies and international cooperation are needed to govern the ethical deployment of generative AI. In conclusion, the future of generative AI is not just about technology, it's about reimagining human potential. We anticipate exponential innovation, but this must be balanced with strong ethical governance to ensure AI benefits all of humanity. For more deep dives and insights into the world of artificial intelligence, make sure to follow and subscribe to Abdul Hadi AI World.